Hello everyone. Assalamualaikum. My name is Tausif Jamal. I am from famous English Language Center, Bangladesh. My batch number is widely 161. Today I am going to talk about my reading room. Our reading room is an important place we study and pass free time. I have a reading room. It is located at my home and at south corner. It is very beautiful, clean and silent room. There are many things in my reading room. For example, table, chairs, bookshelf, calendar, books, toys, paintings, pictures on a wall, etc. I keep my reading room neat and clean. I decorate my reading room. I do art and craft in my reading room. I study there. I love to study there very much.